In this video, we show you how to configure product groups in Appero Quote and integrate them optimally into your quote template. In the Appero Quote Setup app, go to the Product Groups object and create a new record. Give it a descriptive name, for example licenses, support, or recurring. The Available as Product filter checkbox remains active. Next, assign the product groups to the products. If not already present, add the two lookup fields product group and secondary product group to the page layout in the product object. It is best to create a list view so that you can edit the assignment quickly. Then assign the appropriate groups to the products. The order is important. Now you just need to customize the quote template. Go to the Templates tab in the Appero Quote Setup app and open the desired template. Ideally, the template is already divided into sections. Select the elements of a section, for example the section for licenses. Open the pennant icon in the blue toolbar and select the desired product group. You can enter the group name directly or select it from the list. Repeat this step for all other sections. Important to know, some items that are assigned to a product group are automatically calculated only for the products in this group. Now you know how to create and effectively use product groups in Appero Quote. You can find more tips, for example how to use product groups efficiently for product properties or discount rules, in our documentation or in the next videos.